friends, I'm Kazel and welcome back to the 2023 Digital Planner Creation Masterclass. And in this video, we are going to create the page template of our digital planner. As I have shown you a few videos ago in the How to Design Your Digital Planner video, that the main design template of my digital planner looks like a notebook. So let's get started with the creation of our design. We will be working on the slide layout, so tap on the screen and tap Edit Slide Layout. We will not be needing these elements, so select one of them, then tap Select Objects, then Select All, then Done, then Delete. Now that only the background remains, let's change its color. Tap the brush icon, then background. You can choose from the different color presets available here. Under color, you can swipe to the left to access the color wheel and you can select whichever color you want. If you want a gradient effect, you can also set it up here. If you want the picture to be the background, you can do that under Image. For me, I will be using the gradient. Once you have set your background, let's add the other elements. Tap the plus icon and under the shape in the basic category, I'm going to use the rounded corners rectangle. Then resize it. You can adjust how round the corners are with the green circle in the upper left. When resizing, make sure that you leave a space on the sides for the tabs in case you have a similar design as mine. And if you want to know how to create tabs that flips from one side of the notebook to the other like a real notebook, I have a Skillshare class and I will leave the link in the description box below. To change the color of this element, go to the brush icon and under Style, select Fill. This shape is the cover of the notebook. I'm also going to add a border to this. For the border styles, you can scroll down here and choose whichever you want. For me, I'm going to use the basic one, and for the color, I'm going to use white. Depending on the border style you use, you can also adjust the width here. I also like adding another shape to separate the cover and the pages. Sometimes the guides are not very helpful and oftentimes they restrict the movement of the different elements, and if that happens, go back to the presentation mode and turn them off in the settings. In here, you can also turn on or off the select and scroll option for your Apple Pencil. You can also try this double tap to switch to turn on or off the select and scroll option using your second generation Apple Pencil. Once you are satisfied with your settings, go back to the slide layout and let's continue with the setup. For the color of this element, I usually choose a lighter color compared to the color of the cover. Now let's add the pages of the notebook. For the pages, I prefer the basic rectangle for the shape. If you want to have a design where there is only a page, you can just do it like this. Or if you want to have a thread-like design binder as what I did with my other digital planners, you can keep it like this. Also, I am gonna turn off the double tap feature because it is distracting me and I can easily and accidentally trigger it. So in the presentation mode, go to the settings and turn that off. I also turned off the guides so that I can easily reposition the page. I repositioned it in such a way that the left and bottom spacing with the other cover elements are where I want them to be. Then I turned on the guides again and resize it in the right and upper sides of the shape. This makes sure that the element is in the place I want it to be and at the same time it is centered. And for the color, I'm going to use the color white. To make this notebook more realistic, we can add shadows to the elements. I'm also going to add a shadow to the first element of the digital notebook that we have added. Since I want my design to look like a 2-page notebook, I'm going to resize this page. And then tap, copy, and then paste. The guides are restricting me on repositioning this page, so I'm going to turn them off for a while. Once you are satisfied with the placement of the elements, select them all and then deselect the 2 pages. And then done. And then group. And then tap on the brush icon and then lock. We want the notebook to look like a real one with a lot of pages, so copy one of the pages and then select the page and in the brush icon, turn on lock. Once the element is locked, let's paste a new page. For this page, make sure that there is a small gap in the edge when repositioning it to create the illusion that the notebook has a lot of pages. Since I don't want to resize this page, I'm just gonna line it using the top edge. Once that is properly positioned, let's lock the element again. Then paste another and repeat the process as what we just did. If you want it to look thicker, make sure to add more pages, but for me, I'm going to work on the other side. If you have reached this part of the video, make sure to comment down, lock it up to let me know. And now that we have created the notebook page templates, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add binders to the digital notebook. So see you in the next video. Bye!